Welcome to Logical Imagination's training snippet on adding placeholder text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Have you ever wanted some placeholder text in a document until you write the real text? If you type the function equal lorem, open close parentheses, and press enter, Word inserts multiple paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum, which is dummy text that has no meaning but looks like real text. You can control how much Lorem Ipsum is produced by adding arguments to your function. Equal lorem, open parentheses, 12, 3, close parentheses, produces 12 paragraphs with 3 sentences in each. If you aren't a fan of Lorem Ipsum, you can also type equal rand, open close parentheses, and press enter. The rand function inserts multiple paragraphs of actual English text. Again, you can control how much text is produced by adding arguments. Equal rand, open parentheses, 8, 5, close parentheses, produces 8 paragraphs with 5 sentences in each. So now you know how to add placeholder text anywhere you would normally type text in Microsoft Word.